students, how are you? I hope all are you good. So today let me start GK Unit 3, Chapter number 16, World of Books, यानी कि किताबों का संसार. So let me start. Here some facts about different types of books are given. Identify and write their name with the help of guess corner. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कुछ बुक्स यहाँ पे दी हुई हैं, तो इन बुक्स के नेम हमें मेंशन करने हैं ये सेंटेंस पढ़ के. ठीक है, सो डैश इज अ लॉन्ग पोएम टेलिंग द स्टोरी ऑफ ग्रेट हीरोज. ओके, सो तो दिस वन इज एपिक. Number 2, Dash is a book of the adventures of fairies, wizards and goblins. So this is fairy tales. Number 3, Dash is a long detailed account of events of real or legendary heroes. So this one is saga. Yes, this is saga. Number 4, Dash is a short rhyme for children. So this is nursery rhymes. Nursery rhymes. Okay, now number 5, this is Dash is a book in which animals speak and act like humans. It has a moral lesson to teach. So this is fable. Number 6, Dash has day-to-day account of events and observation, usually less intimate than a diary. So number 6 is journal. Journal, Joarnal. Number 7, last, Dash has a fictional story that tells a story about humans through a series of events. So this is novels. This is novel. Okay, so the chapter is end here. Chapter 16 is end here. Let's begin the chapter number 17, books and authors. Here are some famous books. Write their author's name with the help of guess corner. यहाँ पे कुछ बुक्स हैं, तो हमें क्या करना है, इनके ऑथर्स के नेम हमें मेंशन करने हैं. सो बुक्स आर ओनली 2, 4, 8 एंड ऑथर एंड 12. ओके, लेट्स सी. सो नंबर 1, रामोना's वर्ल्ड. सो बेवरली, देखो नाम भी छोटा छोटा मेंशन है बुक में, है ना. तो ही इज बेवरली क्लोरी. एक बार देख लेते हैं, हु इज इट. बेवरली क्लियरी. Okay, number 2, A Tale of Two Cities. So this is Charles. What's the name? This name is done. This one हम टिक कर लेते हैं. Okay, so the next one is Charles Dickens. Charles, Charles Dickens. Okay, number 3, Delhi is not for Ruskin Bond. Okay, so the here Ruskin Bond. This is done. Now next one is Paradise Lost. So who is the writer? John Milton. Where is John Milton? This one. This is okay. JOHNMILTON. John Milton. Little Woman, number 5. This is Lucy May. Lucia May Alcott. Lousia. Lucia May Alcott. Okay. So number 6, Harry Potter. So who is the writer? J.K. Rowling. Harry Potter. J.K. Rowling. Okay. Number 7, Great Expectation. So who is the author? Who is the writer? Charles Dickens. Where is it? Yes. Charles Dickens. Same. ये भी हो गया ये. Charles Dickens. CHARLES. Charles Dickens. Number 8, The Diary of a Young Girl. Anne Frank. Number 9, Treasure Island. So who is the author of this book? This is R.L. Stevenson. Number 10, Three Men in a Boat. So who is the writer? Jerome. Where is it? Jerome K. Jerome. Number 11. So, love story. Who is? Erich Segal. Now number 12, Adventure of Tom Sawyer. So who is Mark Twain? So where is Mark Twain? Okay, so the chapter is end here. Let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 18. Analogies. Chapter number 18. Number 1, complete the sentences with the help of guess corner given below. So let's come towards the sentences. Bapu is to Mahatma Gandhi as Chacha Nehru is to Jawaharlal. Okay, so next question is, the Thames is to London as Seine is to Paris. Number 3, Rabindranath Tagore is to Janagana Mana as Bankim Chandra Chatterjee is to Vande Mataram. Taj Mahal is to India as Taj Mahal is to India as Machu Picchu is to Peru. Hello is to English and Namaskar is to Hindi. Tulip is to Turkey as maple leaf is to Canada. Mercury is to Buddha as Earth is to Prithvi. Number 8, crocodile is to reptile and as mosquito is to insect. Telugu is to Andhra Pradesh as Marathi is to Maratha. Telugu is Andhra Pradesh, Maratha. Okay. Maharashtra. Maharashtra. Hawa Mahal is to Jaipur as Taj Mahal is to Agra. So the chapters end here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 19. Proverb. Proverb is a short sentence that people often quote, which tells something quote about life. Complete the proverbs with the help of guess corner given below. Okay. The dash is father of the dash. The child is father. Number 1. The dash is father of the child is father of the man. Okay. Dash. Where there is a dash, there is a dash. So where there is a will, there is a way. जहां चाहा वहां रहा. Number 3, dash is the mother of. So the invention is the mother of necessity. आवश्यकता ही आविष्कार की जननी है. Necessity is the mother of invention. So, number 4, dash doesn't grow on. So, honey doesn't grow on tree. Number 5, as you dash, so shall you. So, this is as you sow, so shall you reap. So you. Okay. Cut your dash according to your dash. So cut your coat according to your clothes. Dash seldom. So barking dogs seldom bite. Barking dogs seldom bite. A drawing dash catches at a. So this is a drawing board catches at a safely. So let's begin the chapter number 19, Proverbs. Proverbs मतलब ये कुछ यहाँ पे ना कहावतें हैं. Proverb is a short sentence that people often quote which tells some things about life. Complete the proverbs with the help of guest corner given below. So number 1, the dash is the father of the man. The child is father of the man. Where there is a dash, there is a way. Where there is a will, there is a way. Number 3, dash is the mother of dash. So, this is necessity is the mother of invention. Necessity is the mother of invention. आवश्यकता ही आविष्कार की जननी है. Dash doesn't grow on. So, this is honey doesn't grow on tree. Number 5, as you dash, so shall you. This is as you sow, so shall you reap. Dash, cut your coat according to your clothes. Number 7, barking dash, seldom dash. So, barking dog, seldom bite. A drawing dash catches at a. So, this one is the drawing man catches at a straw. Number 9, whom dash steers sails. So, he whom God steers sails safely. Give someone a dash and they will take a. So, इसमें आएगा give someone an inch and they will take a mile. Okay. So, the chapter is in here. Let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 20. Antonyms. यानी कि जिसको हम बोल देते हैं अपोजिट वर्ड. हिंदी में हम इनको बोल देते हैं विलोम शब्द. Here are some words. Write their opposite words in the blanks with the help of guess corner. So, number 1, above. इसका अपोजिट यानी कि एंटोनियम्स होगा बिलो. ब्रेव, कावर्ड, cheerful, cheerless, day, night, blunt, sharp, master, and this is servant. Soft, तो इसका हार्ड हो जाएगा. हाई, देन लो, लाइट, हैवी, now number 10, frank, reserve. Next one is punish, reward. पनिशमेंट करना, इसका अपोजिट होगा रिवॉर्ड देना. So the next one is broad, narrow. Number 13, victory, defeat. Permanent, temporary. Number 12, top, bottom. Okay, so this chapter is in here. Let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 21. Synonyms. There are some words given below, right there. So, there are some words given below, write their synonyms with the help of Guess Corner. So, the one is accident, incident. I-N-C-I-D-E-N-T. So, incident. Now, next, blunder, mistake. इनको बोलते हैं हिंदी में पर्यायवाची, है ना, स्पेलिंग चेंज है बट इनका अर्थ जो है, इनका जो मीनिंग है वो सेम है. नेक्स्ट वन इज कमांड, ऑर्डर. दिस इज ऑर्डर. नंबर 4, इफेक्ट, रिजल्ट. नंबर 5, फोए. सो इसका क्या होगा सिनोनियम्स, एनिमी. नंबर 6, ग्लोरी, स्प्लेंडर. SPLENDOR. No, next one is active, smart. Vigor. So this is the strength. Shakti. Now number 9, blank, empty. Now number 10, contrary. This is opposite. Number 11, enough, sufficient. SUFFICIA. Sufficient. TE. CENT. Sufficient. Now number 12, eligible. This is famous. Pleasant, delightful. Wicked. So इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? This is sinful. F. Now number 15, sullen, sad. Okay, this chapter is in here, so let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 22. एब्रीविशंस, मतलब यहाँ पे इनकी जो है शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स दी हुई है, हमें इनको पूरा इनकी फुल फॉर्म्स में लिखना है ना. हियर आर सम शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स, ट्राई टू राइट फुल फॉर्म्स ऑफ दीज वर्ड्स. सो लेट्स ट्राई, कोशिश करते हैं. नंबर 1 इज BBC. दिस इज ब्रिटिश ब्रॉडकास्टिंग कॉर्पोरेशन. ब्रिटिश ब्रॉडकास्टिंग. अब कॉर्पोरेशन क्या होगा, आएगा नहीं, हम इसको ना शॉर्ट में लिख देंगे, कॉर्पोरेशन और डॉट लगा देंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज कोपरा. दिस इज कंज्यूमर. Here is no clue box. So British consumer prestige art. Consumer art. Okay, number 3, this is CBFC, Central Board of Film Center. Central Board of Film Center. Okay. Now next one, BSNL, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. भारत संचार निगम लिमिटेड. Okay, so next one, FBI. What is this? Federal Investigation. Federal Bureau of Investigation. Number 6, ISRO. This is Indian Space Research Organization. इसको हम शॉर्ट में लिख देंगे. नेक्स्ट इज नासा. व्हाट इज नासा? नासा इज ए नेशनल एरोनॉटिक्स एंड स्पेसेस एरोनॉटिक्स एंड स्पेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. इसको हम शॉर्ट में लिख देंगे. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वन इज R&D. सो दिस इज रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट. रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट. RSS, राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ. राष्ट्रीय स्वयं सेवक संघ. नंबर 10, सेंसिटिविटी इंडेक्स. Now, number 11, UNO, United National Organization. United National Organization. इसको हम शॉर्ट में लिख देंगे. Now next one, UNICEF, United Nation United Nation International Children Education Federation. United Nation National Children Education Federation. Now number 13, value added text. Value added text. WHO, World Health Organization, World Health Organization, NGO, non-government organization. Organize dot, इसको हम short में लिख देंगे. Okay, so these are the full forms. So this chapter is end here. Let's begin the chapter number 23, newspapers. India is a country of many languages. Newspaper is the best way to communicate with each other. Given below are some famous newspaper, match them and with their language. So the start. Number 1, नवभारत टाइम्स हिंदी. हम मैच नहीं करेंगे, हम इसको यहाँ पे लिख देंगे. सो हिंदी यहाँ पे हम लिख देंगे ई. नंबर 2, इंडियन ट्रिब्यून इंग्लिश, सी. यहाँ पे हम सी मेंशन कर देंगे. नंबर 3 है अजीत, दिस इज पंजाबी, डी. 4, लोकमत मराठी, ए. विजय कर्नाटका, दिस इज कन्नाडा, कन्नड़ जिसको बोलते हैं, बी. लोकमित्र डेली, तो सी इज, दिस इज अ आई, गुजराती, आई. मातृभूमि मलयालम, एफ. ठीक है, दिस इज लोक सत्ता. नंबर 8, जी मराठी, जी आ जाएगा इसमें. आनंद बाजार पत्रिका, नंबर 9, दिस इज बंगाली. एंड सियासत, दिस इज सियासत, उर्दू, एच. Okay, all are understand this? So the chapter is end here. Let's begin the chapter number 24, important days. Here are the list of important days. Write their dates with the help of guess corner. Number 1, World Laughter Day, 10 January. Number 2, Indian Army Day, 15 January. Number 3, Indian Republic Day, 26 Jan. National Youth Day, this is 12 Jan. International Labor Day, अंतरराष्ट्रीय लेबर डे, तो ये कब होता है हमारा? ये होता है 1 में. World Health Day, 3 April. 7 April. Number 7, this is International Friendship Day, 3 August. Number 8, Indian Navy Day, 4 December. World Forest Day, 21 March. Earth Day, 22 April. Women's Day, 8 March. World Tourism Day, Vishwa Parयटन Divas. This is 27 September. Rose Day for Cancer Patients. तो वो किसी दिन होता है 22 सितंबर. UNO Day, 24 October. Number 5, World Habitat Day. This is 3 October. So, 3 units, all chapters are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand these chapters. Thank you.